love a good game of hide and seek. Oh, found you, Sprint. Wow, the girls are good hiders. Come out wherever you are. It's okay, Sprint. It's just a message from Bevy Bunny in Snowy Valley. Danessa, you and all of the Wonderwood friends and besties should come visit us in Snowy Valley for the annual Shimmer Snowflake Star Show. Did you hear that? The Shimmer Snowflake Star Show sounds incredibly magical.
Well, what do you say, girls? Should we go on an adventure to Snowy Valley? Snowy Valley, here we come!
Wow! We did it!
Yeah!
Yay! That looks great! Woohoo!
Oh, thanks for your business. Come get your waffles. Fresh hot waffles here. There's enough for everybody. Way to go!
Wow!
What is that?
Hey, it's Jump!
Hi, everyone! Hi! I am so happy to welcome you to Snowy Valley.
This place is fantastic!
I know, right? Jump was so excited to welcome you. You'll love it. We'll go ice skating and ice fishing and skiing, and we'll have the best waffles and hot cocoa ever! Flick thinks that waffles sound amazing. We'll have time for everything. But first, why don't you all come over to my ski chalet? We'll get you all some winter outfits and play in the snow. Yay! Cheers, Keeper. Look. Whee!
We're having such a blast!
And so are all of the besties.
Snowy Valley is absolutely magical! We can't wait to be part of this year's Shimmer Snowflake Star Show!
As a thank you, we wanted to share something with you. This is an ancient Wonderwood friendship enchantment. It'll help us stay connected even when we're lands apart. See?
Wow!
Magical. We'll be able to see this light beam all the way from Wonderwood. It's absolutely enchanting. Thank you, girls. And we still have so much to do. The Shimmer Snowflake Star Show is only a couple days away. You'll love it.